If you think workers' compensation is optional, think again. One workplace accident could drain your savings or even shut your business down. Workers' compensation is designed to handle the big expenses that come with workplace injuries or illnesses. It pays for medical care, everything from the ambulance ride to the hospital to stay surgeries, follow-up visits, and rehab. It replaces part of your employee's income while they recover, so they can pay their bills and take care of their family. If the injury means they can't return to their old job, workers' compensation can cover the cost of training them for a new role. For permanent injuries or disabilities, it provides ongoing financial support, and in the most tragic situations, it offers death benefits to the worker's dependents, easing some of the burden during an incredibly hard time. Even if you have a safe workplace, accidents happen, a fall, a burn, or a back injury from lifting something heavy. Without workers' comp, you'd be paying this cost out of your own pocket and could face expensive lawsuits that put your entire business at risk. Next Insurance makes getting workers' comp fast and simple. Get covered online in minutes and focus on running your business with peace of mind. Click the link in the description for your instant quote.